Through decades of engineering and artistic vision, certain motorcycles have transcended their mechanical purpose to become rolling works of art. These machines represent the pinnacle of design, where function and form unite to create timeless beauty. Each curve, every component, and all design elements work in harmony to create motorcycles that stop people in their tracks. The Yamaha XSR 700 launches our list at number 10. Released in 2016, this neo-retro masterpiece pays homage to the legendary XS 650 while forging its own design legacy. The 689cc parallel twin engine sits exposed in a minimalist steel tube frame, creating a focal point that draws the eye through the bike's elegant proportions. The handcrafted aluminum fuel tank catches light from every angle, its brushed finish contrasting perfectly with the blacked-out mechanical elements. The round headlamp serves as more than just illumination. It's the face of a motorcycle that bridges past and present. The XSR's genius lies in its restraint, proving that sometimes the most beautiful designs come from knowing what to leave out rather than what to add. Taking the 9th position, the Kawasaki Z900 RS demonstrates how to respectfully reinterpret an icon. The 948cc inline-4 heartbeats beneath bodywork that echoes the legendary Z1, but with refined proportions that speak to contemporary sensibilities. The teardrop tank flows seamlessly into the seat, creating an unbroken line that suggests motion even at standstill. The round headlamp and classic color schemes transport us back to motorcycling's golden age, while modern finishing touches like the LED taillight and machined engine fins bring the design firmly into the present. Each panel and component has been meticulously crafted to honor the Z1's legacy while pushing aesthetic boundaries forward. Ready to explore more masterpieces of motorcycle design? Subscribe now to fuel your passion for two-wheeled excellence. The Norton Commando 961 CR claims position 8, proving that British engineering still knows how to craft automotive art. This modern cafe racer's 961cc parallel twin engine provides the soul, while the polished aluminum tank and minimalist bodywork create a silhouette that's both aggressive and elegant. The chrome accents and narrow profile make this bike as captivating at rest as it is in motion. The Commando's rear section appears to float above the wheel, thanks to clever design work that masks the supporting structure. Even the exhaust pipes are sculptural elements, their upswept angle and perfect proportions contributing to the overall composition. The 961 CR manages to capture the essence of cafe racer culture while adding sophisticated modern touches that elevate it above mere nostalgia. Lucky number 7 belongs to the Moto Guzzi 850 Le Mans. This Italian thoroughbred from 1976 revolutionized sport touring with its distinctive angular fairing and deep-set headlamp. The 844cc longitudinal V-twin engine isn't just a power plant, it's a mechanical centerpiece that defines the bike's character. The engine's unique configuration forces the entire design to work around it, resulting in a motorcycle that couldn't be anything other than a Moto Guzzi. The low-slung profile and racing-inspired details make the Le Mans a testament to Italian design philosophy. The fuel tank's sharp edges and geometric shapes were ahead of their time, influencing sport bike design for decades to come. Even the seat and tail section maintain the angular theme, creating a unified design that flows from front to back. Commanding the 6th position, the Harley-Davidson Fat Boy proves that American muscle can be sculpted with sophistication. The 1746cc V-twin engine anchors a design that's both imposing and refined. Those solid disc wheels became an instant classic when introduced in 1990, creating a visual weight that matches the bike's commanding presence. The Fat Boy's broad stance and gleaming chrome accents create a presence that demands attention, while subtle details like the shotgun exhaust pipes and bullet hole disc wheels tell a deeper design story. The seamless integration of the oil tank into the frame, the clean line of the primary drive cover, and the way the fenders hug the tires, every element has been considered and refined. This is industrial design elevated to an art form, proving that beauty can exist at any scale. As we move into our top 5, we'll discover how Italian engineering pushed the boundaries of motorcycle design even further, including one revolutionary model that changed the industry forever. Stay tuned to see which legendary machines made the cut. The MV Agusta Brutale 1000RR claims our 5th position, redefining what a naked bike can be. Released in 2020, this Italian masterpiece showcases how aggression and elegance can coexist. The 998cc inline-4 engine forms the foundation, but it's the bodywork that truly captivates. Angular wings and sharp edges create a predatory appearance, while carbon fiber elements seem to float around the mechanical core. The LED headlight array appears alien, three-dimensional and complex, yet perfectly integrated into the overall design. The tail section appears impossibly thin, tapering to a point that defies conventional motorcycle design. Even the exposed frame becomes an artistic statement, its lattice structure revealing engineering beauty in its purest form. Taking fourth place, the BMW R9T proves that simplicity can be stunning. The 1170cc Boxer twin-engine cylinders protrude purposefully from either side, creating a distinctive silhouette that could only be BMW. The fuel tank's aluminum finish and subtle knee indents showcase an attention to detail that elevates the entire design. What makes the R9T truly special is its modular nature. BMW's designers created a motorcycle that maintains its visual impact even as owners modify it. The subframe can be removed, the tank can be swapped, yet the core design language remains intact. The round headlight and instrument cluster pay homage to BMW's heritage, while modern touches like the upside-down forks and radial mount brakes bring the design firmly into the present. Don't miss out on more incredible motorcycle content. Hit subscribe to join our community of two-wheel enthusiasts. The legendary Ducati 916 secures third position, representing perhaps the most influential motorcycle design of the modern era. When unveiled in 1994, it changed everything. The 916cc V-twin engine was important, but it's the bodywork that made history. Designer Massimo Tamburini created a masterpiece where every line serves both form and function. The single-sided swing arm reveals the rear wheel in its entirety, turning it into a design element rather than just a component. The nose-down, tail-up stance suggests motion even at rest. The underseat exhausts, now widely copied, were revolutionary at the time, cleaning up the bike's profile while centralizing mass. Even the twin headlights, now a Ducati signature, were arranged with mathematical precision to create the perfect face for this Italian beauty. The MV Agusta F4 claims our runner-up position, proving lightning can strike twice. Also penned by Tamburini, this 750cc inline-4 powered sculpture pushed motorcycle design into the realm of fine art. The bodywork seems carved from a single piece of Italian marble, with no sharp transitions or awkward angles. The four-pipe organ exhaust system beneath the seat isn't just functional, it's symphonic in its visual arrangement. The front fairing, with its distinctive diamond headlight, creates an aggressive yet sophisticated face. Even the tail section, often an afterthought on motorcycles, was crafted with the same attention to detail as the front. The way the bodywork hugs the frame, revealing just enough mechanical elements to remind you this is a motorcycle, showcases design restraint at its finest. Finally, our number one spot belongs to the 1959 Triumph Bonneville, the motorcycle that defined what a motorcycle should look like. This is the blueprint, the archetype, the design that launched 1,000 imitations. The 650cc parallel twin engine sits proudly in the frame, its polished aluminum cases and chrome covers gleaming like jewelry. The fuel tank's shape has become timeless, perfect proportions that combine function with beauty. Those twin pea-shooter exhausts running parallel to the ground created a visual balance that motorcycles still strive to achieve today. The simplicity of the design belies its sophistication. Every angle, every curve, every component placement was carefully considered. Even the seat's slight upward kick at the rear adds a subtle sporting touch without compromising the clean lines. The Bonneville proved that true beauty doesn't need embellishment. It simply needs perfect execution of a pure vision. But beauty in motorcycles continues to evolve. Modern manufacturers are pushing boundaries with electric motorcycles that challenge our traditional notions of what makes a motorcycle beautiful. The question is, will any of today's designs earn a place among these legendary machines?